Hey guys, if you're thinking of trying out Surfshark VPN, this video will definitely be helpful because I've been using them for a while and I'll cover some basic important information. I'm also gonna give you my personal opinion on them and I'll share a link below you can use to sign up with them if you decide to and get a great discounted price. All right, first and foremost, I wanna talk about their user-friendly interface. So the website layout is super sleek. I gotta say, one of my favorites. It's modern, it's designed to enhance your browsing experience for sure, and they do a good job of that. Now, while some may overlook the importance of aesthetics, I personally believe that a visually appealing interface adds to the overall enjoyment of actually using a VPN service. You're spending hours on a site, right? So it becomes more immersive when the layout is visually appealing. Now, their VPN service has garnered a strong reputation for its reliability, safety, and commitment to user privacy. With its advanced encryption protocols, Surfshark VPN ensures that your online activities remain secure and confidential. They also offer super flexible payment options and subscription options as well, which is definitely worth mentioning because different people have different needs. Not everybody wants a long-term plan, and some VPNs only offer really good pricing when you get a long-term plan, which I'm not a big fan of. Their customer support is also super responsive, and I have never been kept waiting too long when I've had to call them, which is a huge plus. I mean, time is money, am I right? Surfshark also offers a loyalty program, and upon signing up, you'll automatically become a member. And this basically enables you to accumulate loyalty points as you use their services. These points can unlock exclusive perks, such as priority support, faster connection speeds actually, and additional features tailored to what you want and how you actually use the service. Ultimately, Surfshark is really solid for many reasons, and again, you can use the link below to get a great discount if you want to give them a try. I'll see you in the next video, guys.